Chris here from White Bulls. Today we're gonna do some amazing tri-tip sliders, aka French dips, but we're gonna be doing them on the little sliders, not your full-size sandwich. We did some indirect 300 degrees, 2 tri-tips, D-rub for beef on them. Once they reach 115, we hit them on a sear to about 135. Pulled them off, then we got some sauteed onions on that Traeger induction. We got some consomme ready. So now we're gonna slice up these tri-tips around medium rare, really thin, put them on these sliders, cheese them up, onion the one side up, and we're gonna get some ooey gooey goodness out of these sliders. Let's do it. Make sure you have a super sharp knife and get these as thin as you can. You want them pretty thin and pliable, but still nice and tender and pull apart goodness on here, because these are gonna go on sliders. You want them a little medium, little rarer, because these are also gonna get cooked for another 10 minutes with cheese melted on them. So of course, naturally they're gonna cook a little farther. All right guys, so you wanna kind of dice this up to where it would sit on a sandwich nicely, and you wanna slice it, the thinner the better, right? So you could bite through there nicely. So what we're doing, we're just gonna stack the meat on here. Try to keep it within the square of the slider, if that makes sense, because these are gonna pull apart as mini sandwiches. So keep that in mind when you're building these. We're gonna go tri-tip, then we're gonna go cheese, then we're gonna throw them on, and on this one, we're gonna add a little onion. So we're gonna throw these in the Traeger at 300 to melt this cheese, and then we're gonna baste it with butter to give a nice golden brown appearance and texture to these buns. Hit it with a butter baste. Use whatever utensil you'd like. Distribute that butter nice and evenly. We're gonna use some D-rub for beef on top, give it a nice SPG kick. Not too heavy, not too light. Okay guys, so this is about an hour and a half process here. We just got to the end of it. These have been on for about 20 minutes. We went 300, but then we decided 350 is better if you want to get a little browning on top of the buns. So let's check this out. First, we're gonna roll with the onions. And we have our au jus here for perfection dipping individually, of course. Cheers, super easy, super delicious.